Let's try the ones with the wings on there. Yeah, it's turning now, which means it's not going to work at all. Now we're going to go with the molly. Now there's a certain way you can put these ends, even though they have the little wrench, I don't have that with me, that'll hold this flat part from turning. Well, this one doesn't have it because normally it has two little holes in here, but I'll show you another way to start these. And you can see it's loose in the hole, so let me show you what we can do to tighten it up. Just want to back it out just a little bit. Take some wire cutters, get between the bolt and the shoulder, and just squeeze it to where it'll pull the screw out just a little bit. Screw it in a little more. Okay, now you can tighten it up. Alright, let's see what this does with 30 pounds. Seems to be holding really well. I would like to trust these more than I would the plastic ones. How much you hang on there? I mean, that was 30 pounds. I'm not exactly sure what these will hold, but I do know it is quite a bit. Now I'm going to go on the back side to show you what it looks like as far as when it's spread eagle. So you can see how the wings have spread out. The more it's pulled in, the wider these things get. And they dig into the sheetrock, drywall, plaster, whatever. Good holding power. Before we move on, let me show you these. These have got that little bullet shape on the front. If you have new sheetrock, new house, whatever, you can take these and just drive them directly without having to drill a hole. So you can drive them directly into the sheetrock. Now, I would not recommend doing that with older sheetrock because it'll darn sure crack it. Alright, let's yank this one out. We're going to make a bigger hole. And you can see how much it tore up coming out of there, so that's what's going to happen.